Alright guys, here's my 2012 Lexus RX 350. Even though this car is 10 years old, it still looks pretty good. There's some cosmetic issues here and there on the bumper. I got some scratches, some light issues like that. But overall, this car still is in amazing condition. The paint held up pretty well. I've got a little hitch installed a couple months ago, right here, which is not super visible, kind of like that. There's plenty of space in the trunk. You can store plenty of items right here. Back seats are pretty good. An adult can easily fit in here. All right, now we get into the driver's seat. All right, now we're gonna take this thing to a test drive. This RX is so smooth. The engine is super quiet, very powerful. In fact, this RX has Toyota's 2GR FE engine, which is powered with a V6 3.5 liter engine. Pretty powerful. And that engine has other applications in other Toyota and Lexus models. I know that Toyota Highlander from this era also has the same engine. And I believe Toyota Sienna and Toyota Avalon, cars like those, also have the same engine. So that engine is pretty bulletproof, no issues at all. You buy them, you drive them, you change oil, and you're pretty much good all the way up to 300,000 miles, no issues. Now, I bought this car almost 2 years ago when it was 127 miles. Right now, the car has 148,000 miles, and I've never had any issues. The engine works like a clock. We're on the highway. You can tell there isn't much wind noise, even though this is a quite large SUV. It's a mid-size SUV, but you don't really hear as much. There isn't much road noise. The cabin overall is just super isolated and super comfortable. I love driving this thing. The engine is pretty adequate, and this car is equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission. That transmission, I believe, is pretty common application across Toyotas and Lexuses, and they're known to be pretty reliable as well. The power is adequate for this car. I'm gonna try to go a little faster so you guys can experience how it feels like to drive one of these. Folks, I'm going 80 miles per hour. Still nothing, no noise, nothing from the engine. It's butter smooth. The engine is super refined, the transmission is super smooth. I love how this thing goes. It just makes you want to drive and drive. So comfortable in here. Now, this car is a 2012 model year, and this generation Lexus was built from 2010 all the way to 2015. So all those years, the car is gonna have the same engine, transmission. It's got a facelift, I believe, in 2013, but my car is the pre-facelift model. Uh-oh, someone just got into trouble. That doesn't look good. When I was in the market looking for a comfortable SUV, I've driven a few. I've driven Toyota Highlander from this era. I believe it was 2012. It's got the same engine, I believe same transmission, but I felt like Lexus RX was a little bit more comfortable, more refined. I felt like it was a little bit more luxurious compared to Toyota Highlander. But Highlander is a great option, that's for sure. It's a great car, very similar to this. A lot of the features are similar, but the wood trim on this car and all the other, the seating is just very comfortable. Last year I surfaced the brakes on this car. I changed all the brake pads and then resurfaced all the discs on them. And I paid something like $700, which was kind of surprising. I got it done at a local Lexus dealership. A lot of people compare Lexus RX to things like BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, competitor of this car. But I mean, this car is way more affordable. And economically speaking, the gas mileage is also better on this one. One of the things that a lot of people don't know about is a lot of Lexus models are fine with regular gas compared to a lot of luxurious brands like BMW, Mercedes requiring to buy the most expensive gas. So right there you save a lot of money just driving this engine. This engine just works with 87 regular gasoline and you're gonna be fine with it. Material in this car is pretty quality. I want to say they're durable. The buttons in the center console, the power knob is very comfortable to use. There's no damage on any of these buttons. They all work as it should. Like I mentioned, I really like the wood trim on this car. It just looks very luxurious. Gives you a good feeling. This particular model that I have is all-wheel drive. It doesn't have a lot of capabilities when it comes to off-roading, but the all-wheel drive feature on this is helpful, especially during winter. I feel pretty safe in it, to be honest. It's got a little snow mode, which I believe kind of adjusts some of the settings in the car, like pedal sensitivity and things like that. But overall, you get what you pay for, if not more. This car is pretty fun to drive around the city as well. When it comes to gas mileage, I get about 18 to 19 in city and 21, 22 in the highway. And I want to say 20, 20.5 is what I would get combined in, which isn't horrible. Again, this car has a V6 engine. It's a big, powerful engine. That's why you get a relatively bad mileage, but I don't mind it, especially since I'm just paying a regular gas, not the premium gas. This road is a little bumpy, as you might hear, but the car does an amazing job on isolating them. The suspensions are still the original one on this one. I mean, my car is almost 150,000 miles, but still it isolates pretty well. Alright folks, hopefully this gives you a good idea of what it feels like to drive a 2012 Lexus RX 350. Please put your comments down below and please subscribe for more content like this. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.